Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to recover WhatsApp View Once Photos Easy Method. I once opened a WhatsApp View Once photo too quickly and immediately wished I could see it again, which made me look into whether it can actually be recovered. In practice, WhatsApp designs View Once media to disappear permanently after it's open, so the app normally won't let you reopen or recover it from the chat. However, one place that's sometimes worth checking is WhatsApp's storage management section. If you open WhatsApp, go into settings, then storage and data, tap manage storage. You can browse media shared in specific chats. From there, select a conversation where the photo was sent and review the stored files. In rare cases, especially if the media was cached or saved before being viewed, you might still see it there, but generally speaking, view once photos are meant to be temporary, so the safest approach is to ask the sender to send the image again if you need to see it another time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.